Here's how to convert AVI to AAC audio. So if we're trying to extract audio from an AVI video, I like to use an app called ConvertSave. It's a drag and drop file converter, so you just drag your AVI in there, and then you select your output. By the way, you can drag multiple AVI if you want. You can do batch converting and everything. We're going to go down to, what do we say? Oh, AAC, that's what we're doing. And we hit convert, and it saves right next to the original file. And the reason this is so quick, fast, and simple is because I created this app with my brother. He's a software developer, and I wanted a way that was way quicker, way faster, way safer, and more private than going to random websites to upload your files and download them and then have to organize them. It just takes too long. This is literally, you got a file on your computer, you can download ConvertSave. It works for Windows and Mac. It works completely offline. It works with tools on your computer, basically. And you drag, drop, convert, save. It's that simple, and it's super fast. And we actually have a lot more advanced features we're working on, but we have some out right now. So as soon as you get it, you're gonna have this advanced option here where you see the conversion. So anytime you're converting AVI to AAC audio, you're gonna use this FFmpeg tool, and you can actually bring your own versions of that too to make it even more powerful. But there's a primary command, there's a secondary command. It passes these commands to the tool, and you can actually add your own custom commands. And you might not know, this might look really advanced for you, so you might just want to go to this options builder down here and build your own command. And so you can see things like audio quality, volume, trimming down here. So you can just check these boxes, select some settings, maybe input your own, and then it will build the generated command right up here. And you can save that for any of these specific conversions. You can also reset to defaults really easily. But also it's really easy to save a custom command, and then you can just drag, drop, convert, save, and you don't have to come in here and build it every time. So that's a really awesome time saver. I just want efficiency. I love when things are quick and the least amount of clicks possible. And so you can save that in there, you can clear it, you can go back to defaults, but basically that's how you can convert AVI to AAC audio or other images, other video, other audio conversions as well. That's ConvertSave. Hopefully you guys find it as an efficient part of your workflow. You can check it out, convertsave.com, or just click the links in the description or the pinned comment. I appreciate your guys' support, and I'll see you in the next one.